Hello everyone. Today it is a new antique timepiece, a mechanical clock made by the company called Jaico Canon. Here you could see it is the clock of around 1970s or 1960s made by the company called Jaico Canon, which has a black dial with an hour hand, with a minute hand, and also a second hand. This is the speciality of this clock from the clock which I shown in the previous video made by the company called as Fevel. See, the second hand will start to run as soon as I wind up the key which is present in the back side of this clock. As common, this is the alarm stopper which is present here. This is used to carry the clock, and this is designed fabulously by this metal body, but still it is rusted in the few parts here. You could see here it's rusted a bit more because it was kept in attic, from which I brought this 2 years back from a relative's house. See, it is rusted here also. It took me a bit it was a bit difficult to restore it than the previous clock which I shown you. It has a minor problem here. This clock refuses to ring during the alarm. Even though if I set the time here, it refuses to ring. I need to get it repaired as soon as possible. You could in this 2 hour end you could see here some small gaps or edges here, right? In the middle of the hands, those are the radium designs. In the night they starts to shine so that you get to see the time properly. In the previous clock which I shown you with a white dial, a Fevel clock, I forgot to inform you that radium design in that clock also. See, and here I will make you to hear that sound of winding this clock. You just I'll keep it here. I hope you can hear the sound. See, these are the two hands, two keys. This key is used to wind up the time or the movement. This is used to wind for the alarm. Yes, the key gets winded, but it refuses to sound. Here you could see this one. This is used to if we turn this is used to set the alarm. This is used to set the timings. And I will bring the clock near to you so that you can hear the sound of winding this key. How cool is that, right? See that? That's the sound. I'll give it completely. And now you could hear the sound. It is beating. Yes, you could hear the sound, right? It is beating. And now you can see the second hand moving here. See, it is the second hand which is moving as I winded this key here backside. I'll try if I could make you to hear the alarm sound. No, it's not ringing properly. No, it's not perfect. I'm sorry for that one. And I hope you like the clock, and I wish all of you will never miss an opportunity to get these type of clocks. If you get an opportunity, these are the best antique pieces you could ever keep in your home. I hope and I wish good luck for all the antique collectors who wish to collect these type of clocks. If you have any queries regarding the antique clocks, about timepieces like this and about their functioning, please mention it in the comments. I am expecting a lot of support from you guys so that I could bring up my channel and bring such videos in future. And please wait a few more days for a new video on a mechanical watch. Yes, you heard it right, mechanical watch, not a clock, watch. I have a watch, HMT, or maybe Vijay probably. I have a watch by the company HMT. So I wish you will stay tuned up for that video and give me a constant support. Please like, share and subscribe. Signing off.